Mean?
Ma'am, so you see no need para dalhin pa sa Senado yung investigasyon ng EJK sa war on drugs? Kasi sabi ni Senator Bato, for checks and balances daw, kasi parang isang side lang yung lumalabas sa Quadcom.
Sa palagay ko, okay naman, syempre, karapatan ni Senator Bato, ni Senator Goy, pagtanggol ang sarili nila. Ako, nagmamadali na lang, siguro. Tama naman sila, it's their call. First of all, Senator Bato is the chairman. And certainly, Senator Jinggoy can probably help him. So, syempre, nasa judgment and discretion nila yan. Ako naman, ang akin lamang, ang hinahabol ko, talagang swift justice kasi masyado nang matagal itong mga kasong to.
Sabi niyo po, ma'am, kanina, a great deal of evidence has already come forward from the Quad Committee.
Oo
so,
naman.
you can say, are you saying, pwede nang dalhin sa korte right now?
Palagay ko, DOJ is competent at this point to make a case with the help of CIDG, with the help of the NBI. Perhaps prosecution is in order. Ang tagal na eh.
So, ma'am,
At alam naman natin as cases linger, the evidence grows cold and the testimonies become stale and the witnesses disappear. So, kinakailangan dalian na talaga.
ma'am, kasi nga yung public hearing dun, yung hearing ng House Quad Committee, public hearing yun. So, narinig ng public yung mga allegations
Correct.
against kina Senator Bato and Bongo and former President Duterte. So, mukhang yung pinopropose na hearing ni Senator Bato para masagot nila dahil ayaw naman nilang humarap doon sa House Quad Committee. So, magandang venue ba talaga yung Senate hearing para dito nila sagutin lahat yung allegations against them? O sa tingin nyo, sa judiciary na?
I'm not in the business of passing judgment on the work of my colleagues, but I'm very, very protective also of the institutions involved. Yung trabaho ng Senado, trabaho ng Senate, iba yung trabaho namin sa korte. At sa palagay ko, maaari nang dalhin sa korte to para matapos na. We can put it behind us. All those who need to be punished should be punished as quickly as possible. And we have to come to an end of this blame saying and finger pointing.
Any related question?